For those of you that have a fear of backing that trailer up, this might be the task for you right here on getting that job done. Our crew, they just backed the van right up. They're pulling the motor off the boat, or at least attempting to, and I'm assuming they're just going to shove this thing right in the back of the van. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach. And they're trying to get the motor was the key word. The struggle is real down here. I wonder if they're thinking in their heads right now, might have been easier just to buy the trailer. So the boys are trying to do everything they can to get this off, but for whatever reason, it is just stuck. I love Dad standing in the background, just letting him go at it. I mean, teaching him those life lessons. The ones where if you want something done, you gotta do it yourself. Did he get it off? It's tough to tell with our guy standing in front of me. I can't tell if it's actually off. Nope, it's still on the transom. Dad took a step toward the boat. Is he going to step in here? So they're bringing it up to dry land, I guess, to try and get better leverage on it. Oh, here comes Dad. He's tired of watching now. He's like, bros, I got things to do. And there we go. One pull and it's up. I don't know. The trailer still seems like it might be a little easier to me. So Cap's on approach. You can hear the microphone going in the background. We've actually got a fishing tournament down here at Boynton today, which is making for an interesting scene. It is really busy down here at the ramp, but even over at the courtesy docks, they're all full right now. So our guys coming in, Cap's got a little bit of a tough approach here. Coming in bow first. We've got somebody who's took a line. They're trying to tie it off on the bow. But Cap, he's leaving the helm. So he was going to go from the jump from the mid, but it looks like that's not going to work now. The stern's still swinging around, and he's gone. No stern line. Left the helm, and now they're going to pull the bow in, but that's not going to help. He really needs somebody to get his stern line. There he goes. He's kind of instructed somebody like, hey, I need another line. And they're going to hand it off to him, but they're not going to tie it off to anything. Just going to hand it to Cap. And I think we're good, though. And our next crew coming in on approach, but they're going straight toward the boat for some reason. I thought they were coming in and going to try and hit the dock on the right-hand side. I think we've got some kind of mechanical issue, because they are going straight toward the boat with no effort to try and turn this thing, which makes me wonder if something's wrong. Somebody's going to need to go for a boat hook or maybe a line to try and do a toss. So they're going to do the push off. Oh, Wifey, we missed that with the hose. She shot the hose over the top of the tower on the other boat and got the guys on the dock wet. You may have to go back and watch that one again. She was sitting there rinsing off stuff and then went right over the top and hosed down the guys on the dock to the left. But our crew does the push off and are trying to get it over. Can't tell from here if they grabbed a line or something or what. And there we go. We're going for a toss now. Missed with the first one. Miss. It looks like what maybe missed. Did they get it this time? It looks like he missed with the second one, and there was a third attempt as well. But we've got one guy on the dock now. They should be able to walk it up from here. And just like our last crew, it looks like this crew's in trouble as well. This is one of the courtesy docks, but it's usually only used by, I see like kayakers and some fishermen go over here. Not really easy to get access by boat on this dock, as you can tell. But our crew, it looks like they didn't have a choice. They were out off into the trees over here, heading toward the rocks. And they've kind of pushed themselves off to the side. But again, another boat having mechanical failure down here at Boynton. This will be a tough one to get over from, though, as well. They're gonna need one of the jet skis or something to come over here and tow them over to the docks. Because that's gonna be a long pull if somebody's got to jump in the water and pull it, or if they've got to try and row it over. And the frustration is real down here at the boat ramp. My guy and his wife are struggling trying to get this boat out. And you can just tell by the look on her face and the hand movement she's giving that, you know, she's telling him to pull it out. And Junior's going to get involved too. Pull it out. He points up the ramp. That's awesome. But oh, she throws her hands in the air again because he's going to stop one more time. This is like the 5th attempt at pulling this out. He's pulled it up a little bit, all 5 of those attempts, and backed back down. It looks like it's sitting pretty straight to me, so I'm not sure what the drama is. But there is definitely drama of some kind. Mama throws her hands in the air again. Are we done? And they're going to pull out, it looks like this time. No, we go for the tease. He's going to back it down one more time. Mama's already up the dock. She's like, forget you, bro. You're on your own on these ones. That was great, though. Junior trying to call it out as well. Once again, I don't understand. I understand the wife's frustration on this one because it's the same deal. Like, it looks straight to me. So she keeps thinking the same thing probably. Like, well, why do we keep pulling this back out when you can't be that much of a perfectionist? But hey, it's all good. They're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover. Rain and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.